So I have the ECU laying here for my truck. It is a 1999 24 valve Cummins Dodge Ram. This is my Quadzilla Adrenaline, and this is the wiring harness, which I am going to be replacing. Probably replace the whole tuner with an edge. But that tuner, taking it out, solved all of my wiring problems, except for the aftermarket lift pump, which the relay is here and the wiring's here for it. I did have a little fiasco. I have one wire there, that white wire, to figure out where that's going for what. It goes under the carpet, so I'll find out when I pull the cab off. This is all my stuff sitting here, sitting in the bed. The bed ain't even bolted down or nothing. It was already off. That's my update for today. Pretty much full frame off restoration / resto mod build. What the pup's doing. But I got both fenders off, the ECU's out, blah 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 blah. So hopefully this week I'll get the cab off. They're playing. This week I'll get the cab off. Maybe next week. We'll see. But motor trans is coming out. It's just basically everything. But thank you guys. Peace out. Bye.